In this video, let's know about the human resource management in the Starbucks organization. Starbucks' approach to marketing and advertising is less conventional than other organizations. They use their employees to become the communicators of the brand by investing in them. And as a result, they work harder for the company and help promote the brand. Starbucks realized this early on and has placed a great importance on the recruitment process to select and develop the right people. The frontline staff and baristas are very valuable to Starbucks as they are aware that these employees are the ones who provide the customers with the exceptional customer service. From the first day they are hired, they are trained to undertake the qualities of dependability, adaptability, and working as an effective member of a team. In Starbucks, employees are treated more than the word employee. Starbucks actually call their employees as partners. They include them in all the activities of their business from decision making to changing the world. Now let's look into a clip where Starbucks employees say what Starbucks means to them.
I am a shift supervisor at Starbucks.
I'm a barista at Starbucks.
I'm a shift supervisor.
I'm a store manager.
My connection to my customers, being able to set the tone for somebody's day, that's really what brings me to work every day.
You can pretty much get a cup of coffee anywhere, but we are there to create inspired moments for our customers each and every day.
Being a partner, that's not just a word. It's a real sense of ownership.
If you have your eye on a certain goal or a certain career that you want to get to, you have that opportunity to get there.
I'm currently trying to move up to supervisor. Next step, ASM, hopefully manager.
Your hard work does not go unnoticed.
It's showing that care and compassion of celebrating the things that they do really well.
It's an amazing company to work for. The connection with the partners, with the customers, the benefits,
The tuition reimbursement, the markout,
the 401k,
Oh, Beanstalk, excellent.
healthcare.
the insurance is an amazing benefit.
There's not many companies out there that give that to part-time workers.
It's because we're a company of people who care about people. It comes naturally to us to take care of our partners.
It's not just about selling coffee, it's about being involved in the community.
Every time there is a community event going on, I am the first one to sign up.
You know, Starbucks has really lived up to that community coffee shop feel.
It makes me feel proud to work for a company that stands behind what they say. I feel proud putting my green apron on.
If you want to be part of something really big, this is the place to do it.
I can definitely see myself building a career at Starbucks.
We make up this company, and the company values us.
Starbucks values and respects people from diverse backgrounds and enables its employees to do their best work. They honor the unique combinations of talents and experience and perspectives of each partner. So let's look into what diversity means in Starbucks.
So I'm a first-generation American. My parents were immigrants. They met here. They were from the Philippines, and growing up, before I started school, I didn't even speak English.
Pretty much everything I've done in my life, I've found myself as being one of the few individuals of color in any situation.
My mother was born in China, and I grew up in a very white place where I was the only one who looked different, and I have that experience, and I know what that feels like, and I also know how much I had to offer that sometimes got overlooked.
One of the primary reasons that Starbucks has succeeded throughout all these years is the diversity of people who work for the company.
Diversity, from a simple point, is about who we are. We want to make sure that we have a cross-section of people that come from different perspectives that work for our organization. Inclusion for an organization is about what we do.
It's a way of thinking, it's a way of encouraging diverse conversations and thought and thinking.
In my view, the way to get the best talent is to get diversity of talent. People with different experiences, people with different backgrounds, people with sometimes different values who can bring different perspectives to the work. Their differences are celebrated because that's what sparks innovation.
And how that happens is you're bringing these cross-sections of people together. They're creating innovative products, solutions, and needs. They're solving the needs that the larger community has.
So I think we are better able to reflect the needs and desires of the customers when we have a more diverse workforce.
First thing I try to get leaders to understand is that diversity and inclusion is not a destination, it's a journey.
I think you can be who you are. I think it's about being open and trying to understand the differences more than anything.
We're a workplace where people can be their full selves, where they bring their full talents. They're not covering anything.
I try and model it in terms of the conversations I have, the decisions I make.
And when we have the ability to understand all of those people who are out in the world, when we connect with them authentically, when we sit and talk with them, when we have leaders who understand and are not afraid of other individuals,
we can recognize their differences and celebrate those differences, not try to change or cover those differences.
That's how we create environments where organizations thrive, not only in the present, but for a long time to come.
And that's what I want to do as a leader, and that's what I hope my leaders can do for me.
It's critically important to our future, and it's critically important to the culture and values of what Starbucks is about.
With such a rapid growth worldwide, Starbucks needs to hire 200 new employees daily. Many tools like interviewing candidates, coffee tasting, writing handwritten notes to customers are all part of the recruitment process. Starbucks also sends gift cards regularly to its applicants whether they are selected for a job or not. They still treat them as a customer of the company. The process of recruitment is specially designed for the exact spot that is needed. Starbucks want to provide the employees a chance to be able to develop themselves. Finally, after passing the interview, the applicants are sent to training before the final selection and acceptance. The recruitment process is a pivotal strategy for Starbucks to accomplish its objectives in finding the right kinds of personnel to carry out its mission and business strategy. Fortunately for the company, it had experienced periods of accelerated growth, opening up more than 4 stores and adding 200 employees each day until 2007. With such a rapid growth rate, however, it had to assimilate those new hires quickly into company to meet its growth goals. In the process, the company made hasty decisions and cluttered new stores with merchandise whilst losing focus on coffee. Starbucks CEO Howard Schultz and other top executives did not earn bonuses in 2008 as a result of the company's subsequent poor performance. According to Schultz asked the board of directors that year to decrease his $1.2 million in base pay to $1. The company's new corporate jet went up for sale. Starbucks closed 300 underperforming stores and laid off over 6,700 employees. Starbucks also announced that it would no longer be matching employees' contribution to their 401 retirement plans. However, in spite of store closure and tough times, Starbucks has remained a highly regarded company to work for. Reaching in 2013 number of 94 on Fortune's 100 best companies to work for, its continued success arguably is due to its successful administration of human resource management, denoting all the efforts that Starbucks undergoes to recruit, develop and retain its employees. Its recruitment strategies involve strategic human resource planning as well as utilizing social recruitment online through its career site to target its hiring audience. Once hired, keeping or retaining valuable human capital implies evaluating performance regularly, encouraging success, providing benefits, and the ability to undertake the necessary actions to keep them within the organization, including promoting work-life balance. Work life balance is the concept of balancing one's work life with one's health and well being. In general, it can be a difficult endeavor, particularly in those who feel overworked and who find it challenging to juggle the demands of their job with the rest of their lives. To help curb job burnout, it is useful for an individual, regardless of where they work, to employ tactics such as building downtime into one's schedule, dropping activities that deplete time and energy, exercising, and seeking relaxation strategies. Companies and organizations can also play a critical role in creating meaningful work life balance. Starbucks being a prime example, while one estimate is that less than 30% of part time workers in the United States have paid sick leave or paid time off. At Starbucks, part time employees are eligible for paid sick leave or paid time off if they work 240 hours a quarter. Human resource management in general has to serve as an internal advisor and be viewed as open minded, fair, professional, and efficient. Human resource must recruit, develop, and retain employees who possess the skill and vision. It must seek the opportunities to make positive changes to compensation, benefits and rewards and recognition program, and additionally provide training and development opportunities to its employees. It must promote work-life balance in the manner Starbucks has done.
We're not just employees of Starbucks. I mean, we are Starbucks.
Being a Starbucks partner means everything to me. It's the connection, the people. It's all about my customers.
Our customers leave marks on our hearts and our minds, and hopefully we do the same to them.
I consider my partners at my store pretty much my second family.
Being my personal best means listening to my partners and responding in a way that makes their day.
There's opportunity for partners to expand beyond what they currently do.
Opportunity at Starbucks means knowing that there's always an area for growth. The benefit package is very important to me, whether it's our stock program,
Medical, dental, vision. The fact that it's available for people who work only part-time is just amazing.
It's not just about selling coffee, it's about being involved in the community.
Every time there is a community event going on, I am the first one to sign up.
Being a partner, that's not just a word. It's a real sense of ownership. I've had so many opportunities to grow, and I felt nurtured in that partnership.
If you want to be part of something really big, this is the place to do it.
I done been around the world, ain't nobody else that could do it like us with nobody help. When the chips about to fall and I'm back against the wall, know it's only one place I call. All roads lead home, home, home. Yeah, all roads lead home, home.